Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to explain how to set CRM email recipients in Power Automate using data binding. So, be with us at the end of the video and don't miss any step of the video. Now, let's start with introduction. The provision for creating and sending Dynamics 365C means CRM emails from a Power Automate MS flow has always been appreciated due to its simplicity. But setting the email sender, from, and recipients to CC/BCC dynamically is always tricky. In this video, we will learn how a CE developer can set these parties for an email dynamically in a Power Automate using data binding. Please note that we have 11 different types of activity parties in Dynamics 365 for customer engagement and Microsoft CRM development. An activity party type is stored as an integer value in the attribute activity party. Participation type mask. For an email activity, we have the following activity party types. For this video, we will consider a simple requirement to develop a Power Automate. Once an account name is updated, an email must be triggered by the user who has modified the account to the primary contact, keeping the account owner, user, in CC. Now, we are going to understand our topic step by step. We begin with creating a new Power Automate flow, send email on account name update. It triggers on update of an account name. You can see as per image mentioned here. Next, we initialize an array variable email_recipients. We bind the from to the user who has updated the account name to the primary account contact, and we CC the account owner. Please note that the property participation type mask is 1 for from, 2 for to, and 3 for CC. Then, we add another variable email_body and initialize it with the string hello, account name is updated to. As you can see here in the image. Next, we create a new CDS record, email messages. Make sure to switch to input the entire array for activity party attributes. As you can see mentioned image. Now next, we assign our array variable email_recipients to activity parties. Next, we assign the string variable email_body to the description attribute. We set the email subject account name update. Finally, we add a new CDS action, perform bound action to send the email message. Save these changes. Now next is unit testing. We update an account name and check if our Power Automate send email on account name update has been executed successfully. We verify that the CE email record is created and sent successfully as expected. As you can see here in the image. At the end, I want to say, here, we comprehensively learned in this video how a CE developer can set the activity parties for an email from to CC/BCC dynamically in a Power Automate using zero data binding. That's all from this video. See you in my next one. At the end, I want to say, here, we comprehensively learned in this video how a CE developer can set the activity parties for an email from to CC/BCC dynamically in a Power Automate using zero data binding. That's all from this video. See you in my next one. Thanks for watching at the end of the video. Don't forget to do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.